What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today I'm going for a drive in this 2024 Toyota Tundra Hybrid Limited. This truck is powered by a 3.4 liter iForce Max Hybrid V6 with 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. I believe it's like a 10-speed automatic transmission. This can get up to like 22 miles per gallon, which is really good for a pickup truck. And these things have a lot of power, and 583 pound-feet of torque is no joke. Like this hybrid powertrain is really good, and as I said, great power. And I really like these newer Tundras and Sequoias. I love the interiors. I love this giant screen. This is like the screen you'll get in the limited trim and higher trim levels, but like a basic SR5 or regular Tundra won't have this nice screen. They'll have a much smaller screen than that. You have a 360-degree camera system, full digital gauge cluster. The gauge cluster is not very configurable, but it is digital nonetheless. You have a giant center console storage, like it's huge. I'm trying to see how I can open this thing. There we go. You also have a safe in there, which is cool too, to store valuable items in there. I like that. You also had charging ports over there, and a wireless charging tray. I like the placement of that wireless charging tray. You can change your drive modes. You have sport, normal, and eco modes. You also have lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. But let's walk around this truck and see what it looks like. You also have the black interior in this one. Seats are very comfortable, and I like the trim on the seats, or like the pattern, not the trim. Let's look at the truck. It's a white truck with black wheels. Also has a Tundra badge on the side. You have LED headlights on this limited trim, and I like the daytime running lights. It says iForce Max up here. Also limited badge over there. Let me go unlock this thing real quick. Here are the rear seats. You also have two cup holders back there. Pretty good legroom back here, actually. Like I can fit back here pretty comfortably. You also have a wall home charging outlet, which is good. Charge your devices faster that way, or plug in something. You also have a little step piece over there if you want to load some bigger items into the trunk. And here's the truck bed. Four by four. Let's get this Tundra out on the road, see what it's like to drive. And these Tundras have like a synthesized noise that comes from the speakers, makes it sound like a V8. You know, some people don't like synthesized noises coming through speakers in a car, but honestly I don't really mind it. As long as it sounds good, that's all that matters to me. I mean, if it's not like a performance car, who cares if the noise is synthesized, you know what I mean? I mean, it sounds good. Like, I love the rumble from that engine. Feels, I like it. Makes the truck feel brawny. Makes it feel like a truck. And I like this thick part on the steering wheel down here. The steering wheel's easy to grip and has some nice leather. Yeah, I mean, you can most certainly feel that torque on this truck. It's pretty evident. And it's pretty quiet and comfortable in here. trying to make my phone stick to that wireless charging tray to get it to start charging, because it was like blinking. I guess it wasn't charging, but now it is. Yeah, I like the instant response when you put your foot down. That's good. You can also put it in like a sport mode right here and shift manually if you want to. I probably wouldn't do it that much in a truck though. Yeah, it's a nice truck to drive. It feels good. I like the ride height, of course. It is surprisingly quiet in these Tundras. They're definitely on the more luxurious side in terms of pickup trucks. And it's a very practical vehicle considering it's a hybrid and the technology and obviously the cargo space with it being a pickup. Oh yeah, and you also have a camera mirror, and it has a built-in dash cam. I've seen some cars come with these built-in dash cams, like some Toyotas, some Nissans, and Infiniti, stuff like that. They all look the same. I think it's like one manufacturer that puts in these dash cams that comes with the car, which I think is good. I think that's actually very convenient and practical to have it built in, because a lot of people would like to have a dash cam. Nice. And that's in the sport mode. I was in the normal mode the whole time. Yeah, it's really nice to drive. I like it a lot. I really like the Sequoia TRD Pro. That's a great SUV. Even the Tundra TRD Pro. I made a video on a 24 Tundra TRD Pro if you guys want to check that out, and the Sequoia TRD Pro, both of them. And I like the shifter. It's like a good place to rest your hand because of the giant shifter. overall, that concludes today's video on this 2024 Toyota Tundra Hybrid Limited. Thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Toyota Tundra.